Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today we are going to see the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 12th of October 2021. First, let's look at the Nifty chart and mark the important supports and resistance on the Nifty chart. Let me mark the previous day high. This is previous day high. This is previous day low. And this is the demand zone where active buyers were present and took the market to the upside. So that is no necessary to mark the demand zone because it comes along with the previous day low. And looking out for the Virgin CPR is on 8th of October. Let me mark the Virgin CPR also here. Why I'm doing this every day is because I just want you to also practice marking this important support and resistance every day before the market starts. Now I have marked the important supports and resistance on Nifty chart. Let me play the candles. Okay, market opened flat today with a green candle. Like yesterday, this green candle also opened below the CPR and closed above the CPR. We can take the long entry at the close of this green candle, but when you consider the stop loss, look at the stop loss. It is very big if you keep the stop loss at the bottom of the candle, and keeping the stop loss at below the CPR also is not good because the CPR is very narrow. Look at the CPR, all the three lines, central pivot, upper CPR, bottom CPR are all together. So there is a high chance of stop loss being hit. Look here, the same way as I said, the market went up and came down and took the stop loss. So there is no entry at the first candle. And for the first 1 hour, market was completely sideways. So let us mark the first 1 hour high, initial balance high and initial balance low. This is initial balance high, and this is initial balance low. So looking for a better opportunity to make an entry, one could see this red candle as an opportunity to go short, but I will not prefer to go short here because at this point, the same time, Bank Nifty was inside this CPR. So when Bank Nifty is inside the CPR, we cannot take trade in Nifty and vice versa. So look, if one would have taken the short entry here, the market came down again, it went up and took the stop loss. If you have kept the stop loss above the red candle, so I will not prefer to go short on this trade. So there is no trade here also. And looking to the other opportunity, there is no other opportunity today in Nifty because market was almost sideways today and it doesn't come under our strategy. So today there is zero trade in Nifty. Looking on to the Bank Nifty chart, let us mark the important supports and resistance in the Bank Nifty. Previous day high, previous day low. And there is a virgin CPR. There's a virgin CPR on 4th of October. I think this is not necessary to be marked. We cannot consider this as a virgin CPR because the first candle broke the CPR. So there is no virgin CPR here also. And I could see a demand zone at this point where active buyers were present and took the market nearly 700 points from this point. So this is a demand zone. These are the important supports and resistance in Bank Nifty. Let me play the candles now. In Bank Nifty, the market opened almost flat with a big green candle. This green candle opened inside the CPR and closed above the CPR. One could go long here at the close of this green candle, but the problem will be the stop loss here also. Look at the size of the stop loss here. And the reward will be this much, which is not as per our ratio. Our ratio will be 1:2R, but here it is 1:1. So I will not prefer to go long on this trade. So there is no trade at the first candle. Looking for the next opportunity, one could look here at this point for a retracement. But look at this green candle. After retracement, there is a big green candle. We cannot go long on this green candle because the stop loss will be a problem here too. If you go long here at this point, your stop loss will be below the candle and your target will be 2R, which is not 2R, it is almost 1.2 or 3. So there is no trade here also. Then looking for the next opportunity, let us mark the first 1 hour high and low because market stayed sideways for the first 1 hour. This is IBH. This is IBL. And I could see an opportunity at this green candle. This green candle broke the IBH and closed above the IBH. One could go for a long entry at this point. This is the entry. Long entry, and you can keep your stop loss below this candle. And this is the 2R target for the next pivot or resistance. So the target is reached in I think it is reached in 6 candles. So in Bank Nifty there is only one trade, and this trade also gave us a profit of 2R. So in Nifty today, 0 trade, 0R in Bank Nifty, 2R. So total today we made a profit of 2R in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's all about today. Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Meet you tomorrow, guys. Bye.